Hello guys, welcome back. This is KS for After Effects tutorial channel, and now time to making a visual effect scene like hologram by Adobe Element 3D and Trapcode form. So let's start. First create a new composition and then name it main comp and select the preset HD. The time must be 5 seconds. Press enter and turn on title action save area and fit your screen. Ctrl plus R for turn on the ruler. Then press Ctrl plus Y for creating a new solid and name it watch. Press enter and go back to effect and video copilot element. Then go to scene setup and there is watch good and select the 360 degree reflection and change the reflection scene. Video copilot, materials, environment 2K. Which one is better? This one is good. Yeah, really good. Need more realistic reflection. What about this? This one is not. Yeah, this is good. Press OK. So create a new camera 24mm and press OK and select the watch and go to group 1 particle replicator and move the watch down and open the rotation of Y. Need more down and select the camera like this. Okay, now go to second one, select the watch and move down more like this. Okay, that's good. And create another new solid, light rays. Press enter. So press Ctrl Shift plus Y for setting. Change the color alpha, mean black, and go back to effects and there is stylize, no light factory. Choose a flare, there is shine, select, move it down and then press F4 for mode on, select add like this. Okay, and now I need to control by rotation. If there is a rotation option, angle, press Ctrl, slowly rotation. Yeah, this is good. Select the light rays and pre-compose, move all attributes, press OK and then mask. Add, press MM. Okay, and now double click there is about brightness, change to 0 and stopwatch. 1 second 15 frames. It means in 15 frames the light must turn on like this, and then select light rays, move it down, and now right click, create another one, new solid, name it glow, change the color white, press OK, turn off ellipse, turn on again, and drop here glow, and there is star glow. Select the white X. You can select the color. The color must be like that, and press MM. This is about glow. Okay, now go back to light rays, press U and select flare, copy, press T, change to 0 and paste here. Yeah, that's good. And now right click, create new solid, name it grid, press enter, and right here grid, press Ctrl for slowly change the rates and change the size 3, 2, and turn off title action save area, and Ctrl D, duplicate, and change the size 0.5 like this, and create another new solid, name it frame, and double click on rectangle and go to subtract MM. Yeah, select these 3 layers and pre-compose, name it screen, press enter and press S, and right here optics compensation, press S for scale up the size. Okay, now move the anchor point down there and change the screen position here, move the anchor point center bottom there. Okay, now press S for scale, change the scale 0, paste. What's wrong? No problem. Stopwatch, change to 50, play again. Yeah, that's good. And select the opacity copy, press T, paste the opacity, and yeah, that's good. And double click, create another new adjustment layer and right fill, double click, select the color, press OK. So now time to create another new solid, name it form, and go to effects, trap code, form. And then go to base form, change to obj model, and select the obj. There is lot of 3D models. I need one of them. This is about city, double click. So where is the form model? There is it. Okay, control the particles, go to particles and change the size 0.5 and go back to obj setting and change the edge, vertices. Yeah, that's good. Then select the form behind of globe and screen, and now there is the position. You can change the model to another one. I think this one is good. Down the size and move the model down and change to 1, and then create the color. Okay, and now time to motion. Select the form and apply this effect. Apply again. Change the size again 0.7. This one is really good. Okay, select form and go to disperse, and stopwatch. From there stopwatch in 3 seconds, change it to 0 and press U for keyframe of form, change to easy ease, and then go to Y rotation and select stopwatch, the Y rotation, change to 1, 2, yeah, this is good. And now select form, glow, right click, pre-compose, name it form, and then there is masking. Click here, here, and here. Okay, press MM, a little bit further. Select light rays. There is about angle, select angle, end of angle, play now, too fast, press U, change to 0 and 200, play. Zero, 50. Okay, select screen and form, move up and select the watch and light rays, move it down like this and select the light rays. There is about scale and there is about brightness. And test here. Okay, go to light rays, select this one, change to 0, Alt break. There is some problem. What is the problem? Change the scale 1. Okay, this one is good, and there is about the screen moving from there. Yeah, this one is too good, and change the size. Yeah, this one is too good, and there is time to motion for model. There is about particle look, multi-object, and displays, and there is so scatter. Yeah, good. Stopwatch this one and stopwatch this one. Go to 1 second, change to 0, 0 and press U,